Hello everyone, here I am again in the heart of nature and of the sun gazing there right behind me, getting a lovely tan. Thought I'd make another quick video just to appeal to people. I'm out in nature. I do find it helps, when you go out in nature and get some fresh air, hopefully see some wildlife, and just get your mind off being in the same environment. It does make a difference to your mental health when you make a change, get out, get away. That's what they call it, getting away when you go on holiday, just getting away from everything. Because sometimes we feel there's so many obligations, where we live. And I think what's disappointing, what I'm finding sometimes, even when I go out, is that people are still glued to their mobile phones. I just don't understand it. I mean, if you want to be glued to your phone, stay at home on the sofa. Why come out in nature and just have your eyes on your phone the whole time? It just defeats the purpose, doesn't it? There's so much nature around us, so much beauty. And I do find sometimes people aren't really appreciative of that, I mean, I know people are addicted to their phones, but there's a time and a place. If you're in nature, then put your phone away. And if you feel that, you can't, then why are you in that environment? It's just, I think it's quite ridiculous. Anyway, that's just my point of view. So, yes, just as I was mentioning in one of my previous videos, is that sometimes I do have people around me, so sometimes I have to stop the video. Sometimes I have to speak lower because, they are around, and I try to find a quiet spot where I can make my videos, but I'm constantly having to look left, right, up, everywhere as people approach, just to pass by. I do find if I'm going to get voices in, I try to stop the video and start again. So that's why sometimes my videos have to be cut and started again. Got some lovely birds over there coming through on the river, and I'm going to get them in. Can you see them? Family of birds there. Had to get those birds in. So yes, do try to get some fresh air, um, and get your mind off things. Sometimes, again, like I have mentioned again, it's good to get some solo time. People sometimes have a tendency to always go out in pairs. I have noticed that. I'm a bit of a loner. I like to go out alone, do things on my own, um, and then I'm not pushed and prodded to do what other people want me to do, or having to compromise, or please them, or impress them. Yes, I'm just not that type of person. So I'm very happy in my own company. Oh, I've got to get those ducks in. Yes, I'm very happy in my own company, and I'm very comfortable doing things by myself. And the funny thing is, wherever I go, I still end up meeting. I still end up meeting other people, other nice people, and I'm actually never alone because I always tend to get into a conversation with other people as well. Sometimes I greet someone or someone greets me, and we'll stop and have a little chat, a conversation, and move it on. But wherever you go, you're never really alone physically. There are going to be other people on your journey, and spiritually, definitely. You are watched over by angels, and they're always there if you need them. You just have to ask for their help whenever you need it. Good to pray as well when you're out, because then you don't have to feel embarrassed or nervous that somebody's listening to you in your environment. because there's lots of open space where you can just say what you want to say. It doesn't matter how ridiculous you may think it is, just say it, get it out, and don't forget to be grateful. Don't forget to say thank you for everything you do have in your life. Today, I'm grateful for my home. I'm grateful for the sunshine. I'm grateful for the fresh air. I'm grateful for nature. I'm grateful for getting a tan. Um, and I'm grateful for the greenery, the trees, plants, the earth. I'm going to walk with my shoes off for a bit and get those electrons working on me and healing me through the soil. So yes, it's called grounding. I've mentioned it in one of my other videos. So when you plant your feet firmly onto the soil without shoes on or socks for at least 15 minutes a day, it heals you. It heals your bodily points, which are all under your feet, and you will see an improvement. Perhaps you may not notice it right away, but it does make a difference because there's electrons in your feet, in the soil, and we are also electricity. And when these conduct together, you are healed by Mother Earth. Thank you, Mother Earth. It's another thing I'm grateful for. And I'm surrounded by birds. They're everywhere. They're in and out of the water. Absolutely lovely. It's such a lovely breeze out today as well. So be sure to thank the universe for things that you are grateful for. You can even sun gaze. Look at the background here. You can stop the video here and just look at the sun. That's also supposed to be very good for you. It's got healing properties. So nature is a healer. We've got it all around us. And as far as knowledge goes, knowledge is within us. So we have everything we need. We really actually don't need to look externally for our health, for our well-being. We have it all within us. Knowledge within us, nature surrounding us to heal us. We're so fortunate. And it's good that people have time to have some time for themselves now, because I do find in society, people are so busy, they just don't have time for anything. And it's good to sometimes just stop, get grounded, and enjoy nature, enjoy your surroundings. And I've got some birds over there that have come out of the water. I'll try to get them into the video. Just a little stroll here. Let's see if I can get them in. So yes, this is my view today. This is where I am, on the river again. And the birds are here. Can you see them? Come out of the water. On this side as well. See the beautiful feathers. See the green in the wings over there. Absolutely lovely. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So yes, these are my surroundings today. Going to find a spot to sit down. But yes, find us. Oh, there's that bird again. So try to find a spot where you can to enjoy nature. And all of this is free. It doesn't cost anything. You have some time now to get out there and just enjoy nature. You do feel better when you go home. You have a good night's sleep and you get out into the fresh air. And we all need it. So beautiful sounds of birds in my videos. Very healing. I've been collecting feathers as well. Here's one on the floor. I'm going to get it. This one's got multicolours in it. So yes, I'm a feather collector as well. There's all sorts of colours of feathers I find here. Green, brown, white. Absolutely lovely. I think I'm going to start a feather album and have a collection. Because I find so many on my walks when I come for a walk. There's so many. Anyway, I'm going to switch off the video because there's people approaching who are talking loud. Alright, bye. Here's a couple of the other feathers I found today. Aren't these beautiful? Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one. This one's got some colour in it. See the green? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Check out the deer. Sunshine first. Sunshine first. Yeah. And the deer. Check out the deer. Absolutely lovely. They're in the river having a bathe today. Lovely deer. Absolutely wonderful. Obviously everybody's intrigued, trying to get their cameras out, take a photo, so you may hear some voices in the background. But just caught them here as I was walking. So I thought get a view of them into my videos. But you also see the wonderful sight. It looks like there's some at the back in the background in the field, walking in the field as well. I can see them. I'm not sure if you can see them from the camera. But the ones in the water are clear. But there's some in the field at the back as well, coming this way. I'm going to just try and walk a bit closer to try and get a better view. Ooh, magnificent, absolutely magnificent view. Beautiful. Isn't that magnificent? Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Magnificent. And that was that. That was that.